Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Mother Refugee and I, we're traveling for work today, and we're staying overnight in a hotel room. And I wanted to show you a use for Gorilla Tape and a little trick if you're staying in hotel rooms or some other reason. This could be used for different applications, and I always recommend with people's everyday carry that they carry some type of Gorilla Tape. Now this roll here was in my trauma kit that I always carry with us when we travel. I did a video on that separate. I can put a link in the description for you guys, so if you want to see what I have in that as well. But also another way that a lot of people carry Gorilla Tape is wrapped on a Bic lighter. This has been a really popular way that people have been doing that for years as well. And sometimes when you find yourself in hotel rooms like this, only one key is available, or like if Mother Refugee goes down for a coffee and takes the one key with her, and I want to go out, let myself out, I want to go down to the vehicle, get something, or I'm doing something else and I don't have a key with me, what I can do to let myself back in this room and basically defeat that lock with this Gorilla Tape. And I recommend Gorilla Tape for this. I don't recommend any other kind of tape for this because I don't trust any other tape other than Gorilla Tape. But what we have here is we have our hotel room locked, of course. Once the door closes, it automatically locks. It's the typical way that doors in hotels work. What you want to do is you want to take a strip of Gorilla Tape like this. It's about, I'll show you about how long that is. You want to open your door like so, and then take this Gorilla Tape, and you want to push in your locks and your latches, and you want to make sure that it's on good and tight because you don't want it to come off. Another reason why I only recommend Gorilla Tape. If you want it stronger, you can put it across and that's fine. But if you do that, you have to trim down both ends. Now I'm going to show you how this works. That's basically it. If the door shuts and it doesn't lock because it can't lock because you've circumvented the latch, and now I can let myself back in. I can access this room even without the key because I use this little tape trick here. Like I said, I only do this with a Gorilla Tape. I wouldn't do this with any other tape, but I have used this technique multiple different times traveling over the years to let myself back into hotel rooms when I didn't have the key, when I was traveling with either Mother Refugee or others when we were hunting or hiking or doing other adventures. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Appreciate Mother Refugee running the camera for this. Hope you guys always get some little tips and tricks and stuff out of my video here. This is kind of one of the reasons to carry some type of Gorilla Tape with you all the time. Anyway, appreciate you guys. You guys take care.